Okay guys, I wanted to take a quick video about this Vevor fridge. We've had it for about a year now and I want to go back and talk about it. It's been so useful. This little thing comes out. It's like a little drain. Let me get it out. So if you have like some spillage or something bad and you have to just dump in water, wash it out, it's just so convenient to have that little drain plug there. So take it out, wash it, put it back in. There's this big box and there's a smaller box. Looks like that. There's the big box and the small box, the eco mode, which takes only 45 watts. And we have been using it with a Blue Eddy. It's connected. This is the Blue Eddy that's been 78%. So right now only the fridge is plugged in. And it's taking about 60 watts. This is the Blue Eddy 1800 watts. So far we have used it in the car while traveling, and this is standing on our deck outside of our off-grid tiny cabin. So it's been working out. This is our only fridge we have off-grid, so it's been helping, and I highly recommend it. Seriously, I actually really like this fridge. It's cool because you can keep one side frozen, so I have all my frozen meats in one side, and the other side is the fridge. Or you can have two freezers, or you can have two fridges. So very versatile and easy to use.